silence of the dawn, before the stars were born. He spoke
the light into the skies and shaped the earth with gentle might. This is the world of God, so wide, so deep, where mountains rise and oceans sleep. Every tree and bird, the sky above, whispers His name is endless love. His endless love. Rivers run with sacred grace through valleys carved by His embrace. The wind, it sings a holy tune beneath the sun and silver moon. This is the world of God, so wide, so deep, where mountains rise and oceans sleep. Every tree and bird, the sky above, whispers His name is endless love. His endless love. Even in storms and darkest night, His hand is near, His heart is light. No place too far, no soul too lost. He finds us all, whatever the cost. We walk this world with eyes made new. Through every trial, He pulls us through.